Okay, and today I'm gonna show you how to fold your Jack Sparrow bandana the right way. Savvy?
Oi, matey!
Bentalosa.com.
Step number 1 is to fold one of the corners to the center so you can reveal that internal V. And once when you see it, you pinch it and you fold back, okay? Because that's the V we need to reveal on Jack's forehead later on. So now step number 2 is to meet these two corners, this one, and fold the other opposite corner to meet this one right here, okay? Step number 3 is to fold your bandana now in halves. Right where those two corners meet. I'll fold that and make sure that the tip of your V is always showing, okay? Okay. Just like that. Now step number 4 is to fold this bandana now in halves. Okay. Again, you always want to make sure you are revealing that V, that corner, okay? And that is the V that goes over your right eye. Okay, that's how Jack uses it on the movies. And step number 5, if you really want to make your bandana look like Jack does on the movies, which is wider on the front and narrower on the back, just the way I have it now, all you gotta do is after step number 4, which if you remember, you have to have the front folded in halves, just like this. So you fold it in halves after step number 4, and then you tie it to your head, and now you can unfold the front a little bit, maybe an inch or 2, just like that. That's the way it looks. And now you have a wider front and a narrower back, and you'll look just like Jack Sparrow. Okay, and step number 6 is where to tie your bandana on the back of your head. So you need to tie it right here on the right side of your ponytail. Okay, just like that. That's it. And as a bonus, I'm gonna show you how to wear your hat exactly like Johnny does on the movies. So what you want to do is put your head on, and you want to make sure the front tip is slightly off center to the right, just a little bit. And this is exactly like Johnny uses it on the movies. That's it. See ya. And this is how you fold your Jack Sparrow bandana. Savvy.
Oi, matey!
Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And if you want notifications, hit that bell up there. And until next time, guys, again, thank you very much for watching. Bye. See you.
One, two.